Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Fatin Hazwani binti RAFE'EI, metric number S56197. In this video, I will present a tax computation for the company, or we call it a corporate tax computation. The company that I choose is Hapsin Industries Berhad. Hapsin Industries Berhad is a publicly listed company that manufactures a variety of biscuit and confectionery in Malaysia. Move on to the computation. In the system, the first, the net income need to be filled in with 40,556,164 ringgit that I get from the statement of profit or loss in the annual report of Hapsin Industries Berhad. Next, for the system, we need to total up the non-allowable expense, which is from the add column, and we need to total up the non-business income, special deduction and double deduction. So the figure of adjusted income or loss will auto appear from deduction of the non-business income, special deduction and double deduction column from the total non-allowable column using the formula that we already generated, which is this. And all the figure of non-allowable expense and the non-business income, special deduction and double deduction is come from the annual report of Hapsin Industries Berhad. The addition of balancing charge to adjusted income or loss and subtracting the current capital allowance, unabsorbed capital allowance and balancing allowance will result in statutory income that will automatically appear in D40 boxes. There is no capital allowance and unabsorbed capital allowance and balancing allowance shown in the annual report of Hapsin Industries Berhad. Next, the figure in D49, which is aggregate income Y9034225915, comes from the statutory income that is subtracted with unabsorbed business loss and then added with the other taxable income, which is, in my case, the company did not have any business losses or other taxable income. For approved donation, we need to choose the lower figure between 10% of the aggregate income or the approved donation itself, that is can get from here. So the figure of approved donation will automatically appear when the system detects the lowest figure between 10% of aggregate income or the approved donation. The total chargeable income 190262836 is generated from deduction from approved donation, which is 79,423.52, and zakat, which is none in this case, from the aggregate income. And last but not least, the system will calculate the tax payable, which is this 2, for the company from the total chargeable income. The first 600 from the total chargeable income will charge with a 70% rate of tax, while the excess of 600,000 of the chargeable income will auto deduct with 600,000 and will charge with 24% of tax rate. And lastly, the system is very easy to use. User just need to fill in all the related items in the column, and it will help user to calculate the total chargeable income that user need to calculate the tax payable. And I think that is all from me. Thank you.